Alright, hello everyone. So we have this problem here. Given vector u and vector v, so vector u equals 2, 3, and v equals negative 1, 7. Find u plus v. Okay. Now, anytime you have a vector u plus v, given that u equals a1, a2, and v equals b1, b2, this can be written as the vector, so we have a1, a2 plus b1, b2. And this means we have a1 plus b1, comma, a2 plus b2. Okay, so using this property, we can find u plus v. Vector u, we know is 2, 3. So we can say the vector 2, 3 plus, and then vector v is negative 1, 7, right? Because this is vector u, so let me color code that. And then vector v, we know is negative 1, 7. So we can say that this vector goes right here. Now, using this formula that we have over here, we can find the addition of these two vectors. So this means we will have 2 and then plus negative 1, comma, 3 plus 7. Okay. 2 plus negative 1 is 2 minus 1. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and then we have 10. So u plus v is 1, 10. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for this first part of the problem. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.